Ready to revolutionize your WooCommerce store by accepting cryptocurrency payments? First, log into your WordPress admin panel and navigate to the plugin section. Then, click on the Add New button to start the plugin installation process. In the search bar, type Binance Pay Woocommerce Plugin. Find the official Binance Pay Woocommerce Plugin in the search results and click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin. Now go to WooCommerce settings and click on the Payments tab. You should now see Binance Pay listed as a payment option. Click the Manage button next to Binance Pay to configure its settings. Here's where you'll need to enter your Binance Pay API key and secret key. You can find these keys in your Binance account under the Binance Pay Merchant Portal. Fill in all the other necessary settings like order status changes and transaction fees. That's it. Now, customers can select Binance Pay at checkout and complete their purchase through a seamless crypto transaction. By broadening your payment methods, you can attract a wider customer base and boost your sales.